guys, welcome to my channel Anish Vlog. Today we are doing a travel vlog on a one-day trip to Kumarakom. To reach Kumarakom, the nearest airport is Kochi International Airport, which is 74 km away. After reaching the airport, you can hire a taxi to reach here. It takes approximately 2 hours to reach here from Kochi International Airport by taxi. Buses are also easily available at all times of the day. If you are coming by train, you have to get down at Kottayam railway station. Kumarakom is a beautiful tourist place located near the city of Kottayam in Kerala, India. It's famous for its backwater. Kumarakom is set in the backdrop of the Vembanad Lake, which is the largest lake in the state of Kerala. With the onset of the monsoon rains, sometimes around June, the little streams and lagoons break their flow beds and irrigate the fertile land to an overwhelming cover of green. However, the recent monsoon rains in Kerala pushed up the water levels in the Vembanad Lake to rise over 5 feet, flooding most of the lake-facing properties and sending residents fleeing to relief camps. Kumarakom enjoys a well-balanced tropical climate. The lowest and highest temperatures recorded are 16 degrees Celsius and 38 degrees Celsius respectively. There is always a cool, fresh breeze which makes even the warmest weather readily agreeable after sundown. Shrubs, grass and bushes cover every available inch of the land to provide a fantastic treat to the eyes. One of the most attraction of Kumarakom is the houseboat. You can book a houseboat online or you can book it offline after arriving here. The booking rates vary depending upon the size of the boat and the season when you are traveling. On an average, it will be around INR 5,000 per night. local cuisine of Kerala is markedly different from cuisines from other parts of India. Some of the popular items which you can try here are appam, kappa, karmi, duck roast. Appam is a local bread prepared with fermented rice and coconut dough. It is slightly sweet and is an excellent combination with meat dishes. Kappa is the local name for tapioca. It is boiled with rock salt and then sorted with grated coconut, onion, red chili and curry leaves to make a solid meal commonly eaten with spicy fish or other meat curries. Karimi, otherwise known as pearl spoon. This is probably the most exotic freshwater fish. With its rich flavors, it is a culinary delight. There are a lot of good restaurants available here at affordable rate. One such good restaurant is Kilikuda restaurant. The food here is very delicious. As the name Kilikuda, which means bird's nest. The restaurant is also built like the same. After an awesome lunch, head towards Thanneermukham Butt. Here you can see the exquisite view of the Vembanad Lake. There are a lot of newly married couples coming here for photography session as well. Finally, an adventurous speedboat ride here will be a cherishing memory.